Hi, my name is Jeff Ratkus. I am the Senior Development Engineer for Häfele America Company. Today we're going to address what happens if you want a 90-degree corner in two of your light bar assemblies. This can be achieved with our aluminum and our lensing and ribbons, and with a new product which is a 90-degree corner ramp piece. First and foremost, we cut and take a piece of ribbon. After taking that piece and getting it cut to length, we would peel the tape, or peel the paper off the back of the tape, and we would do an installation into the corner of the 90-degree piece. And we would do that by simply placing it into the corner and stitching it down onto the assembly as such, so that it looks something like this. From here, it becomes decently easy to do the installation. We will do this by placing our aluminum into place in the dado. I will take part of our cabling that we would use to make the attachment, and I will attach it to the ribbon. And before I actually install it, I'm going to plug it in to make sure that it works. It does work. We will power up nicely. From this point, we would just simply take the ramp and push it into the corner, seating it in the corner, and then we're going to seat the rest of the ribbon into the aluminum as it would fit into the bottom of the channel. And I'm just using my finger to push everything down. We make that one connection in that run. We're going to make the other one in this run. And the last thing we need to do is place our lensing in. The lensing can be snapped in and slid in at the same time. So I'm going to snap it in and slide it toward the end, not going all the way because I need to match up the lenses into the corners. And again, I will slide this in and I will try to marry everything together into the corner. I need to push one thing down. I'm just using a little tool to push into the corner. I match the lensing up into the corners, and now I have the assembly done. The last thing to do would be to test the light into the application. Plugging it in. You see where the aluminum comes together, you see where the lensing comes together, and we have continuous light through the corner, making a 90-degree bend. The process of doing this installation is that simple. Thank you for your time.